Hello. I'm on my post-dinner walk, and I just wanted to check in on you to make sure you're having a top-tier Tuesday. While I was brushing my teeth this morning, you always want to brush your teeth when you first wake up before you drink anything. Acidy drinks like lemon water, orange juice, and even coffee softens your enamel. And then when you brush your teeth right after drinking those drinks, you're actually wearing your enamel down. While I was brushing my teeth, I was lucky enough to have a thought that came to me. A construction zone isn't evidence that the road is broken. A construction zone is evidence that the road is being improved. All right, catch you on the next one.